Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start chapter 5 Community Services. Now, the learning outcome of this lesson, after completing the lesson, you will be able to know and define community service. You will be able to explain the various methods of community services in olden times. You will be able to compare the old and modern methods of traveling, trees, and water supply. Now, the important terms of these lessons are community service, step wells, Kund, Sisandra, water harvesting, Chipko movement, One Maha Utsav. These are the important terms of this chapter. Now, what is community? Community where the people with common interest living in particular area, that is called community. Now, which services we are providing for the benefits of the community, that are called community services. So, community service is a help or assistance that benefit the community. It may be assisting in elderly, participating in neighborhood watch program, and beautification of the locality. We can contribute to community service by donating money or our services. Community service has always been an important part of Indian history and culture. People help the poor with money, clothes, food, shelter, or look after the sick. Many people give money and food to beggars. This is not a good practice. It is important to train them for some craft, and we are to develop skill that they can work to earn the money, like making fans, toys, paper, bags, etc. So we should not give them money. There is a comparison between the traveling in olden times and modern times. In olden times, most travelers were pilgrims. Pilgrims means many people used to go to religious places, and messengers, they were going to give and take the messages. Soldier or merchant, merchant means trader, means businessman. They had to face many problems on their journey, as there were no shelter, roads, means of transport, or arrangement of foods or water. So, the king constructed many dharamshalas and shrines for their comfort. So, these dharamshalas and shrines are provided shelter and safety from the rough weather and wild animal. But in modern times, traveling has undergone great changes. Today, different means of transport are available for the convenience of the people. Many guest houses, restaurants, night shelters, hotels provide comfort and safety to the travelers. Now, faster and more comfortable means of transport make traveling a pleasure. So, earlier there were no roads, no modes of transport, and no shelter for travelers. Kings built dharamshalas and shrines for travelers. Then, after people started using bullock cart and hand cart, but in today's world, various means of transport have been developed. People also started using bicycles, scooters, and trains. Now, they may be cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes, or ships. Now, bicycle riding is popular in all over the world. It makes our body fit and save fuel, and it is a environment friendly. Now student, you are to learn this topic. Okay, and thank you to all.